Big news is shaking up the tech world today. Newspaper The Wall Street Journal just dropped a bombshell. Tesla's board has reportedly started looking for a new CEO to replace Elon Musk. Yep, you heard that right. Backhand index pointing right. Before we dive deep, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss these exclusive updates. So, what's going on behind the scenes? According to sources, Tesla's leadership has reached out to multiple executive headhunting firms. They're actively exploring potential successors for Musk, a clear sign that change may be coming at the top. But why now? Let's rewind a bit. Elon Musk's political alliances and controversial public statements have rubbed many the wrong way. He once stood by certain government policies that hurt everyday Americans, like calling Social Security a Ponzi scheme, and appearing indifferent to cuts that would affect retirees and disabled citizens. When it came to immigration, Musk seemed to support only one side of the workforce. Tech talent, while ignoring the struggles of agricultural and construction workers, many of whom also contribute billions to the U.S. economy. Backhand index pointing right. If you're finding this breakdown insightful, smash that like button and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Musk's association with Donald Trump hasn't helped either. From cozying up to MAGA rallies to making cringe-worthy appearances and parroting controversial ideas, many feel Elon traded innovation for influence, and Tesla's image paid the price. Let's not forget the numbers. Tesla's profits reportedly dropped by 70%, and sales in major markets like California and Germany have taken a huge hit. Despite Musk stepping back from projects like Dogecoin and making public efforts to focus more on Tesla, damage may already be done. The brand is suffering, and investors are asking questions. Subscribe now if you want more on this unfolding story and other major tech updates. Rocket mobile phone. Meanwhile, reports say Elon requested top-secret briefings from the Pentagon. Yep, war plans level stuff. It was quickly shut down after media exposure and disapproval from the Trump camp itself. Yikes. He even tried influencing a key state Supreme Court election and failed, big time. The media called it a clear referendum on Musk, and voters weren't buying what he was selling. And now? It seems like both Washington and Wall Street are turning their backs. Musk's reputation as a brilliant innovator has been overshadowed by politics, ego, and erratic moves on social media. According to insiders, Tesla's board recently told Musk they want him to recommit to Tesla and say so publicly. Surprisingly, he didn't resist, but it might be too little, too late. So what's next for Tesla? Will the company move on from Musk to save its image and sales? Hit that subscribe button to stay in the loop. We've got more insider updates, analysis, and tech stories on the way. Thanks for watching. Speech balloon backhand index pointing down. Let us know in the comments, should Elon Musk step down as Tesla CEO?